Today, we're going to show you the ultimate guide to cutting cabbage for soup. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned cook, these top hacks will help you achieve perfect results every time. First, start by selecting a fresh head of cabbage. Look for one that is firm and heavy for its size, with crisp, vibrant leaves. This will ensure that your soup has the best flavor and texture. Next, remove any outer leaves that are wilted or damaged. Cut the cabbage in half through the core, then cut each half in half again to create quarters. Now, it's time to remove the core. Place each quarter on a cutting board and carefully slice out the tough core with a sharp knife. Discard the cores and then slice the cabbage into thin strips. For a finer chop, stack the cabbage leaves on top of each other and slice them crosswise into thin ribbons. This will give your soup a more delicate texture. If you prefer a coarser chop, simply continue slicing the cabbage into thicker strips. This will add a heartier texture to your soup. Another technique for cutting cabbage is to shred it using a mandolin slicer. This will give you evenly sized pieces of cabbage that cook quickly and evenly in your soup. For a more rustic look, you can also use a box grater to shred the cabbage. This will create irregular pieces that add a homemade touch to your soup. Once you have finished cutting the cabbage, you can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator until you are ready to use it. This will help keep it fresh and crisp for your soup. Now that you have mastered the art of cutting cabbage for soup, you can use these techniques to elevate your soup-making skills to the next level. Impress your friends and family with delicious homemade soup that is both flavorful and visually appealing. So whether you are making a classic cabbage soup or adding cabbage to your favorite recipe, these cutting tips will help you achieve perfect results every time. Watch the video now to see these techniques in action and start creating delicious soups that will have everyone coming back for more. With these simple hacks, you can make soup preparation a breeze and enjoy the satisfaction of creating a homemade meal that is both nutritious and delicious. So grab a head of cabbage and get ready to elevate your soup making skills with these top cutting tips. Your taste buds will thank you.